Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Coinbase wallet. Alright, so first and first, we'll go to our Play Store. Then we'll start Coinbase. Alright, so you can search Coinbase Wallet or Coinbase, and right here you can see Coinbase Wallet NFT crypto. So the reading store. Alright, so create a new wallet, claim a username. And you create a username for your wallet, and then you agree and you claim the username. So our wallet has been created. We've signed in. Now go to this wallet icon here on the right hand. Alright, so here is your wallet. Okay, so you can add and manage wallet, like you can add multiple wallets. Okay, you can create a new wallet, import a new wallet. This is our wallet one. It's Zabzatuna Institute. So you can import a new wallet and also create a new wallet. That we've created a new wallet. First thing you want to do is make sure you back up your wallet. Go to settings right here at the top and scroll down. It's security. Okay, so now we'll see wallet one not backed up, and click on it. All right, allow. All right, so you can choose an account you'd like to back it up on. Continue, allow, then you enter your password. Okay, so once you've created your password, complete backup. And then that's it, your wallet has been backed up. So to check, all right, wallet one backed up, as you can see down below. The next thing I want to show you guys is how to receive and how to buy coins or crypto. So go to receive. All right, if you want to receive a crypto from anyone from other addresses, if the person is around you and they can just scan your QR code and easily they can send you. So this is Segwit and this is Legacy, whichever one. Then this is for Ethereum. Okay, so you can just copy your wallet address right here and then copy and paste it to whoever you want to receive crypto from. Okay, so you have a Solana address and other assets. You have Dogecoin, you have Litecoin. So these are personalized crypto address for you. So to buy a coin, okay, so you want to click on this plus Y button right here on the top. Click on it. Select the coin you want to buy. All right, you want to click on this network. This network right here that says Bitcoin. Click on it. So this is where you can change the type of coin that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Solana, or you want to buy Dogecoin or Ethereum, you know, whatever. So I'm going to select Solana. So it's going to change to Solana, and you can input the amount you want to get. All right. So 200 USD. So you can click here to choose the kind of payment you want, either to pay with credit card or to pay with debit card. Okay, for you. So we're gonna choose one or the other. Then you select whichever payment you want, and then you click continue to payment. Okay, so you'll be redirected to the third party payments provider for you to get started and follow the prompt. And if you're using your debit card or your credit card, all you need to do is just follow the prompt and complete your transaction. Okay, so this is the easy way to, you know, buy coins on Coinbase Wallet. Back to the main screen. All right, so now to send Bitcoin or to send a coin out, you click on send, then add crypto to your wallet. Okay, so that means we haven't added any crypto to this wallet yet. So But for you, once you add your crypto to your wallet by buying or transfer with Coinbase or continue with debit card, then you can send a crypto. Then we have cash out. Cash out is just a way to withdraw your USDC to dollars. All right, so if we have like $20 in this account right now, then we can cash out. Then we can just click continue. $20 is going to be 20 US dollars. All right, so you can transfer it to your account or whatever you want to transfer it to. So that's just what cash out is all about. All right, so this is basically the main things that you can use your wallet to do, as a beginner. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And anything you don't understand, I'll get back to you as soon as possible.